going to start off by just chaining one only. Because the compression has already happened, it shouldn't get any smaller than this. And you were going to half double crochet in the same first stitch that you see right below. So you need to get this half double crochet in, or you don't have the 2 verticals that you need in order to play with that. These 2 right there. So going into the 2 verticals, going in and advance to your next stitch. Pull through and pull through all 4 loops. You may want to practice with a swatch of this before you commit to doing a scarf or something big, so that you can get your tension into your hands and understand the stitch more. So always do the 2 verticals and the next stitch. So you can see that the nice lean here is a lot more denser than the original sample that we did because of the 2 verticals that you're grabbing instead of just 1.